Okay, so I meant to film stuff earlier, but I'm currently on the first floor of the Eiffel Tower. I'm out of breath because it's quite the hike to get up here. So, man, this is really cool. I'm about to go to see the second floor. So there's the ground there. This is the first floor, and then that platform there is the second floor, which I think has a much better view. So I'm gonna go up there and see what that's all about. But this is really cool. So, and the ticket was only like $15, so really cheap. And there's a great view of Paris from the first floor of the Eiffel Tower. You can just see forever. And I think the second floor has an even better view because there's not like these wire things here.
How do I get to your camera?
So there's Paris. I'm on the second floor of the Eiffel Tower. There's the rest of the tower. Yeah, one of the coolest things. Never thought I'd actually be inside the Eiffel Tower. There's quite a few shops inside the Eiffel Tower. That's pretty cool. Some elevators, souvenir shop.
Mesdames et messieurs, la visite du premier étage, the first floor visit with the glass floor, le plancher de verre, musée.
Yeah, you're right.
It's like a garden by the Eiffel Tower. There it is right there. I'm still on the Eiffel Tower ground because you can see there's a fence there. On the other side of that fence, it's actually like off the Eiffel Tower ground. So I just found this trail that I guess just wraps around the Eiffel Tower. I don't know. But yeah, that was really cool to get to go up the tower. There's not really much up there, but it is cool to be able to say like, yeah, you know, I've been to the up in the Eiffel Tower. So that's cool, but there isn't really anything up there. But it's still cool, and they have some really good views of Paris. So I would recommend it. It's only like $15. It was like 11 euros for a ticket, which is pretty cheap considering it's the Eiffel Tower. But yeah, really cool. So I'm going to probably end the video here. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.